హాయ్ వ్యూయర్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. ప్రస్తుతం మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు ప్రముఖ ఆస్ట్రాలజర్ మరి గురువు గారితో మాట్లాడతాం. నమస్తే అండి.
శుభం వ్యాధి.
నమస్కార్.
So we are all going to welcome 2020. Rather, most of us are almost preparing for it.
2020
2020 సంవత్సరం
2020
2020 ఆండు
2020 2020 2020 2020
ईयर 2020 में बहुत सारे एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल इवेंट्स होने वाले हैं.
असली पिक्चर आनी अभी बाकी है, लेकिन ट्रेलर के रूप में आपको पता चलेगा कि 2020 में आपको क्या क्या मिलने वाला है.
Historic fires devastating Australia. 25 people have been killed.
Retired Los Angeles Lakers basketball star Kobe Bryant has been killed in a helicopter crash. It happened this morning.
Firing has been reported in Jamia during protests at the moment is what we're picking up as far as the anti-CAA protests are concerned. These are live visuals we're bringing in from the national capital.
2020 వచ్చేసింది. విజన్ 2020 అంటారు. యథావత చెప్పాలంటే గత సంవత్సరం కంటే మాత్రం బెటరే.
The Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he's calling for calm following days of sectarian violence between Hindus and Muslims that has killed at least 27 people. The unrest has been centered around Muslim majority neighborhoods there in the northeast of Delhi.
नए साल से सबकी उम्मीदें होती हैं कि इस आने वाले साल के अंदर हमारे एम्बिशंस, हमारा जो नया जोश है.
இந்த 2020 அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரே வார்த்தையில் சொன்னோம்னா பிரமாண்டம்.
बात करते हैं हमारे अगले विषय की, स्वास्थ्य.
a time when we will see miracles, when we will see great discoveries.
COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
But we're still turning up and we're trying to do our best.
I've developed mild symptoms of the coronavirus.
It's going to disappear. One day it's like a miracle, it will disappear.
But I think what happens is it's going to go away. This is going to go away. It's going to go. It's going to leave. It's going to be gone. It's going to be eradicated.
कोरोना शांत हो, कोरोना शांत हो. डॉक्टर सबसे पहले तो गोमूत्र पिए, गोबर लगाए, आप फिर और हर एयरपोर्ट पिए, गोबर लगाए, फिर क्वारंटाइन और
साथ में सरसों का तेल भी नाक में डाल दे तो ये भी पूरे रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक में कहीं पर भी कोरोना होगा तो पेट में चला जाएगा और पेट के जो केमिकल्स हो कोरोना को मार देते हैं. I happen to be taking it. Hydroxychloroquine. I'm taking it. Hydroxychloroquine. Right now, yeah.
अभी 1 मिनट लंबा हो जाएगा रोकना तो 1 मिनट तक आप ऐसे रोक करके रख लेते हैं तो इसका मतलब है आपको कोरोना नहीं है.
करोना गो, करोना गो, गो करोना.
रविवार को शाम को 5 बजे 5 मिनट तक ताली बजा करके, थाली बजा करके, घंटी बजा करके हम उनके प्रति अपनी कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करते हैं. इस 5 अप्रैल को हमें रविवार को रात 9 बजे 9 मिनट सभी लाइटें बंद करके दरवाजे पर या बालकनी मोमबत्ती, दिया, टॉर्च, मोबाइल की फ्लैशलाइट जलाएं.
Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back.
20 lakhs 2020.
2020 ट्रैवल के लिए बहुत अच्छा इस साल
విదేశీ యోగం కూడా చాలా బాగుంది.
आपकी यात्राएं बढ़ेंगी.
வெளிதேச பிரயாணங்கள் ஏற்படுறதுக்கோ வெளிநாட்டில் குடிபெயர்றதுக்கோ அற்புதமான வாய்ப்பு.
जनवरी से मार्च अप्रैल के बीच में भी यात्रा का प्लान बनेगा और अप्रैल से जून के बीच में तो तय है.
इस साल आप विशेष रूप से अलग अलग जगहों पर यात्रा के लिए जा सकते हैं.
आज रात 12 बजे से
धार्मिक यात्रा पर भी आप जा सकते हैं.
ध्यान से सुनिए.
अप्रैल के महीने में आप विदेश यात्रा कर सकते हैं. योग ऐसे बन रहे हैं.
12 बजे से पूरे देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है.
ఇదే మన భారతదేశంలో మన పనులు ఇట్లే ఉంటాయి.
Bring lot of happiness, prosperity, wealth for your 2020.
మీ వృత్తి డెవలప్ అవుతుంది, ఉద్యోగం డెవలప్ అవుతుంది, ప్రమోషన్ వస్తుంది.
Well, it is clear the global pandemic is taking a devastating toll on the economy.
But there could be a knock-on effect on global growth.
3.2 million more Americans filed for unemployment in the last week.
किसी को नौकरी से न निकाले.
Massive layoffs, salary cuts, indefinite unpaid leaves. The Prime Minister's appeal to companies not to sack employees has not worked on the boardrooms.
We can't protect every business and every household.
How am I supposed to pay my rent? I have children.
I have a wife and a kid, and that's not going to be enough to support us long term.
15 office got a call telling that you are being fired due to this pandemic.
Trying to figure out how I can keep my roof over my head.
And some landlords in Hawaii tried to extort their tenants for sex in exchange for rent relief. Now that is absolutely horrible.
This is working out, getting worse and worse and worse, and magnifying the original impact.
The magnitude and speed of collapse in activity that has followed is unlike anything experienced in our lifetimes.
आप लाइफ को इंजॉय करेंगे. आप कहेंगे कि ये पैसा जो है, इससे मिलने वाले सुख जो होते हैं उनको आप इंजॉय करेंगे, उनको अपने जीवन में लेके आएंगे.
स्ट्रेस फ्री रहने की कोशिश कीजिएगा क्योंकि सितारे आपके फेवर में है तो वैसे भी वो आपको स्ट्रेस देंगे ही नहीं. फिर भी चूंकि हमें आदत हो चली है कि हम हर बात में, हर छोटी बात में स्ट्रेस लेते रहते हैं. स्ट्रेस नहीं रहता तो लगता ही नहीं कि जीवन जीवन है, तो इसलिए स्ट्रेस लेने से बचिएगा. मुझे पता है मैं गलत नहीं कह रही हूँ और आप मेरी बात से सहमत हैं.
Tragic news that's coming in this morning of 16 migrant workers who were killed and 5 injured after coming under a goods train. This happened near Aurangabad district in Maharashtra.
Tugging at the cloth that's partially covering his mother lying motionless.
ஒரு மிகச்சிறந்த ஆண்டாக இந்திய திருநாட்டிலே வாழக்கூடிய குடிமக்கள் அத்துணை பேருக்குமே இருக்க போகுதுப்பா.
India is being threatened by a swamp of desert locust which is travelling from Pakistan, came to Rajasthan in several parts of Uttar Pradesh.
Will India walk under blue skies again?
The national capital has felt over 14 tremors in the last month and a half. So will Delhi now witness a bigger quake? Some experts believe that multiple small tremors and consecutive earthquakes can be a precursor to an earthquake of high magnitude.
एकदम ऐसे लगा जैसे धरती कांपी है.
What is this year all about? देखिए, it's going to be a new era. A lot of different ways in astrology says that it's going to be a new era. It's called an Aquarian age going to start.
ఖచ్చితంగా ఈ సంవత్సరం మీకు హ్యాపీగా ఉంటుంది.
India has lost one of its most celebrated actors. Irfan Khan died on Wednesday in Mumbai after a 2-year battle with cancer.
Veteran actor Rishi Kapoor is no more, and this is absolutely devastating. Back-to-back deaths.
Bollywood star Sushant Singh Rajput has died in Mumbai. Several reactions which have come in from Bollywood.
విశాఖలో కెమికల్ గ్యాస్ లీకేజీ కలవరం సృష్టిస్తోంది. This gas tragedy that took place in Visakhapatnam has indeed left all of us shocked. Major gas leak that took place at a private plant, polymer plant, LG polymer plant in Visakhapatnam that's killed at least 8 people.
George Floyd's death at the hands of a Minneapolis police officer.
No justice, no peace. did what?
నేను ఏదన్నా సరే గ్రంథ ప్రకారంగానే చెప్తాను. ఓకే, దీంట్లో ఏం చెప్తున్నారంటే
मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ, आपकी डे टू डे की इनकम, इन सब चीज में इंप्रूवमेंट हो रही है.
पक्की तौर पे 2020 में आपकी शादी हो जाने की संभावना बनती है, इसलिए विवाह के लिए पूरा प्रयास करना चाहिए ताकि आपकी शादी 2020
ఇప్పటి వరకు ఏడుస్తూ కూర్చొని ఎప్పుడు చచ్చిపోదామా ఆత్మహత్య చేసుకుందామా అనుకున్న వాళ్ళందరూ ఇప్పుడు గడ్డగుబడి జీవితాన్ని అనుభవిస్తారు.
Cyclone Amphan has made a landfall in the country at 2:30 p.m. and now the latest reports say 4 people are dead.
Destruction that they've caused is humongous. Digha, the sea coastline, was furious like never before.
What Cyclone Nisarga is expected to hit the coastal districts of Maharashtra and Gujarat.
That a new outbreak of Ebola virus disease has been detected.
A second wave of desert locusts has descended on East Africa. Estimates indicate that it will be 20 times worse than the swarms that made their way through the region 2 months ago.
Nepal has revised its national map.
3 neighbors launch a coordinated provocation in the middle of a pandemic.
इस एरिया में चाइना की प्रेजेंस फिलहाल काफी जबरदस्त है.
20 Indian soldiers, including a colonel, have been killed in a violent face-off with Chinese troops at Galwan Valley.
The entire situation along our borders with China is under control. We are having a series of talks.
भारत शांति चाहता है, लेकिन भारत उकसाने पर हर हाल में यथोचित जवाब देने में सक्षम है.
रत्नों में अगर आपको इंटरेस्ट है, रत्न पहन सकते हैं, रत्न धारण करना चाहते हैं, हीरा पहनिए, आप अच्छी क्वालिटी का हीरा पहनिए. कितने सेंट का पहनना है उसके लिए आप एस्ट्रो कंसल्टेशन ले सकते हैं, हमें फोन कर सकते हैं, मैं बता दूंगी आपको.
శుభం వ్యాధ.
చూసారు కదండి, మరి ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. అలాగే మరిన్ని లేటెస్ట్ అప్డేట్స్ కోసం ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.